For years, the debate between Linux and Windows has been one of the most passionate discussions in the world of technology. Windows has traditionally dominated the desktop market with its ease of use, broad software compatibility, and strong support from hardware manufacturers. Linux, on the other hand, has been praised for its stability, security, flexibility, and open-source philosophy. Yet despite its strengths, Linux often struggled to convince everyday users to make the switch. One of the biggest reasons was that many people viewed Linux as a system designed primarily for developers, system administrators, and technology enthusiasts. However, a recent wave of improvements across major Linux distributions has dramatically changed that perception, leading many users to ask a surprising question. Has one update made Linux better than Windows almost overnight? The answer is more complex than a simple yes or no, but there is no denying that Linux has reached a turning point. Across popular distributions such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, OpenSUSE, Pop_OS, and others, major updates have significantly improved the desktop experience. These improvements are not limited to a single feature. Instead, they represent a combination of advancements in hardware support, software management, gaming performance, desktop environments, security, and system updates. Together, they have transformed Linux into a platform that can genuinely compete with Windows for a large number of users. One of the most significant changes is the modernization of the Linux desktop experience. For many years, critics argued that Linux desktops felt inconsistent and fragmented. Different distributions used different desktop environments, software centers, and system tools. Today, however, projects like GNOME and KDE Plasma have matured into polished, professional desktop environments that rival anything available on Windows. Recent updates have improved responsiveness, visual consistency, animation smoothness, touchpad gestures, scaling support, and accessibility features. The result is a desktop experience that feels modern, elegant, and surprisingly easy to use, even for people who have never touched Linux before. Another area where Linux has improved dramatically is hardware support. Historically, installing Linux on a laptop or desktop sometimes involved troubleshooting Wi-Fi adapters, graphics drivers, printers, or audio devices. Recent kernel updates have changed that reality. The Linux kernel now includes support for a massive range of hardware out of the box. New AMD and Intel processors are supported quickly, graphics performance continues to improve, and many laptops now work perfectly with Linux immediately after installation. For many users, Linux now offers a smoother setup process than Windows, especially when dealing with older hardware that no longer receives official support from Microsoft. Perhaps the most surprising transformation has occurred in gaming. For years, gaming was considered Windows' strongest advantage. If you wanted access to the latest games, Windows was the obvious choice. However, Valve's investment in Proton has fundamentally altered the landscape. Proton allows thousands of Windows games to run on Linux with little or no configuration. Recent updates have improved compatibility, performance, and stability to the point where many games run nearly identically to their Windows counterparts. The success of the Steam Deck has accelerated Linux gaming development even further, pushing developers to optimize support and expand compatibility. Today, many gamers are discovering that Linux is not only capable of running modern games, but can sometimes deliver comparable or even better performance. Software installation has also become dramatically easier. In the past, Linux users often relied on command-line package managers and repositories. While these tools remain powerful, modern software centers have made application installation simple and intuitive. Technologies such as Flatpak and Snap have simplified software distribution, allowing developers to provide applications directly to users without worrying about distribution-specific packaging. This means users can install applications like browsers, media editors, productivity tools, and communication platforms with just a few clicks. The experience increasingly resembles the convenience of app stores found on other operating systems. Security is another area where Linux continues to shine. Windows remains one of the most targeted operating systems for malware and ransomware attacks, due to its enormous market share. Microsoft invests heavily in security, but the threat landscape remains challenging. Linux benefits from a different security model, strong permission systems, rapid patching, and open-source transparency. Recent updates have introduced additional security enhancements, including better sandboxing, improved encryption options, and stronger isolation technologies. For users concerned about privacy and system integrity, Linux offers a compelling alternative. Privacy itself has become a major factor in operating system discussions. Many users have expressed concerns about data collection practices, telemetry, and advertising integration within modern operating systems. Linux distributions generally collect little to no user data by default. Recent developments have reinforced this privacy-focused approach, giving users greater control over their computing environment. In a world where digital privacy is becoming increasingly valuable, this advantage cannot be overlooked. System updates represent another area where Linux has made significant progress. Windows updates have often been criticized for forcing reboots, causing unexpected interruptions, or introducing compatibility issues. Linux distributions have historically handled updates differently, and recent improvements have made the process even smoother. Users can update applications, drivers, and system components with minimal disruption. Some distributions now offer advanced rollback capabilities, allowing users to restore previous system states if something goes wrong. This level of control provides peace of mind and reduces the frustration associated with major operating system updates. Performance is yet another category where Linux has gained attention. Modern Linux distributions are generally efficient in their use of system resources. Recent kernel optimizations, scheduler improvements, and desktop environment enhancements have further increased responsiveness. On older computers, Linux can often breathe new life into hardware that struggles to run the latest versions of Windows. Users frequently report faster boot times, smoother multitasking, and lower memory usage. As hardware costs continue to rise, extending the lifespan of existing systems becomes increasingly attractive. The rise of AI workloads and development tools has also strengthened Linux's position. Many artificial intelligence frameworks, cloud platforms, and development environments are optimized for Linux. Developers, researchers, and engineers often prefer Linux because it provides direct access to powerful tools and customizable workflows. Recent updates have streamlined these capabilities while maintaining ease of use for less technical users. This combination of power and accessibility makes Linux appealing to a broader audience than ever before. One particularly important update that has contributed to Linux's momentum is the continuous advancement of Wayland. Wayland serves as a modern display protocol intended to replace the aging X11 system. Recent Wayland improvements have delivered better security, smoother graphics, improved multi-monitor support, and enhanced responsiveness. Many users may never notice the underlying technology, but they experience the benefits every day through smoother desktop interactions and more reliable graphical performance. This modernization effort represents one of the most significant technical improvements in the Linux ecosystem. Meanwhile, KDE Plasma and GNOME continue introducing features that users have requested for years. Enhanced customization options, improved workflow tools, better touch support, refined user interfaces, and increased stability have made Linux desktops more attractive than ever. Unlike Windows, where major interface changes are determined by a single company, Linux users can choose the environment that best matches their preferences. This freedom remains one of Linux's defining strengths. Another factor driving Linux adoption is the growing frustration some users feel toward Windows itself. Hardware requirements for newer Windows versions, increasing integration of online services, advertising elements within the operating system, and concerns about user control have motivated many people to explore alternatives. Linux has benefited from this shift by offering a platform that prioritizes user choice, transparency, and customization. Recent updates have made switching easier than ever, reducing the barriers that once discouraged newcomers. The success of Linux on handheld gaming devices, enterprise servers, cloud infrastructure, embedded systems, and supercomputers has also increased public confidence in the platform. People realize that Linux already powers much of the world's technology infrastructure. As desktop Linux becomes more polished and user-friendly, its credibility continues to grow. What was once considered a niche operating system is increasingly viewed as a practical option for everyday computing. Of course, Linux is not perfect. Certain professional software applications remain exclusive to Windows. Some specialized hardware may still require additional configuration. Compatibility challenges can occasionally arise, especially in niche scenarios. However, the gap between Linux and Windows has narrowed dramatically. For many users, these limitations are becoming less relevant as web applications, cross-platform software, and compatibility tools continue to improve. The most remarkable aspect of this transformation is that it did not happen because of a single company or product. It resulted from the combined efforts of thousands of developers, contributors, organizations, and open-source communities working together. Every kernel update, desktop enhancement, driver improvement, and software package contributes to a larger vision of making Linux accessible, powerful, and user-friendly. When people ask whether one update has made Linux better than Windows overnight, they are really noticing the culmination of years of progress reaching a critical point. The latest generation of Linux distributions delivers an experience that feels mature, polished, secure, and capable. Features that once required technical expertise are now available through intuitive graphical interfaces. Hardware compatibility has improved. Gaming has become a legitimate strength. Privacy protections remain strong. Performance continues to impress. User freedom remains unmatched. The result is that Linux is no longer just an alternative operating system. For many users, it has become the preferred choice. Whether someone is a gamer, student, developer, content creator, or everyday computer user, modern Linux offers solutions that are competitive with, and in some cases superior to, what Windows provides. The latest updates have not merely improved Linux, they have fundamentally changed how people perceive it. As technology continues to evolve, the competition between Linux and Windows will remain intense. Microsoft will continue innovating, and Linux will continue advancing through open-source collaboration. Yet at this moment, there is a growing sense that Linux has entered a new era. The operating system that was once seen as complicated and niche is now increasingly viewed as modern, approachable, and powerful. And for many users making the switch today, it genuinely feels as though one update changed everything overnight.